Welcome to channel one. My name is Heath, and today we're going to be looking at an amazing piece of tech from FIFINE, the M9 wireless microphone set. I'm going to be honest with you, I have been waiting to get my hands on these microphones specifically because I've been in need of a wireless microphone set for mine and my wife's YouTube channel, Heath and the Mountain. It's about our lives, about being a quadriplegic, and the things that we deal with on a daily basis. But I'll leave a link down in the description below for it. I also put a link right here across the bottom. That way, if you want to go check it out, please do so. But anyway, let's jump into this video. Let's get it unboxed, show you everything that you get, and then we'll discuss all the features and ins and outs of the M9 wireless microphone set. So now that we've received the M9, let's get it unboxed. Inside the box, you'll find a simple set of instructions, tell you how to install it for a phone, tablet, or DSLR camera. I'm currently using it on my PC by simply plugging in the USB Type-C cable into my computer. It works the exact same way. You also have a really nice carrying case for the charging case and all of your cables that come included inside of the carrying case. Great material that it's made out of. Once you open your carrying case, you'll find the charging case for your microphones. Inside of the charging case, you have both microphones and the receiver as well. They can be charged together inside of a charging case, or you can charge them individually with the included USB Type-C cable. There are also several other cables as well for connecting it to a 3.5 millimeter jack on your phone or other device. Also, it will be able to connect to a DSLR camera. It comes with two included windscreens, one for each of the microphones. They work really well about blocking wind. However, for other background noise, it doesn't really do anything. But as you can see right there, we have both of our microphones and the receiver inside the box. The lights on the box cut on when you first open it and close it to let you know the charging status. Here we can see all the cables that are included with our microphones. We have the one that connects directly to our phone or tablet or whichever we choose. In my case, as I said, for my PC. You also have the ones for DSLR and connections to be able to connect multiple devices at the same time. All right, so now that we've got it unboxed, we've now switched over to the M9. And as you see, I'm sporting a brand new fashion accessory clipped in my toe boggin. This is just one of the wireless microphones that comes in this set. You get two and also a receiver, and you get a carrying case that also serves a dual purpose as a charging case as well. Setup is super simple for both of these microphones. Simply power them on, power on the receiver. They will blink blue as an indicator saying that they are unpaired. Once they are paired, it should turn solid blue. In the event that they do not pair automatically, each one of the microphones and the receiver do have a pair button on it. Just simply press and hold it for approximately 3 seconds. And the light should turn solid blue, indicating that they are paired to the receiver. Each one of the wireless microphones does have two light indicators on it. Red flickering means that it is low battery power. Green flashing means that it is charging. If it is not on or there's no light whatsoever, that means it is fully charged and functioning. With a blue light that is flashing, that means it is unpaired. A solid blue light means that it is paired to the device. And in the event that you do have it muted, it will be a solid red light indicator on each one of the microphones. Each one of the microphones comes with several buttons. One is a power on and off option. The other is a noise canceling option. Personally, I do not like the way the microphones sound with the noise cancellation enabled. It distorts the clarity of the microphone, and I found that just about in any microphone whatsoever that it has an included noise cancellation option, it distorts the sound quality of the microphone. So personally, I wouldn't recommend using it. As I previously stated, I've always wanted a set of wireless microphones for use for my personal self, and not only that, for mine and my wife's YouTube channel, since it is about us and we simply do a lot of recording on the go and in different varying places. These microphones sound really well, in my opinion. I had another set that I tested out as well, and I was not pleased with the sound quality. It was really echoey, and these, at least to me, sound a lot better. And the build quality is really nice. Even though they are plastic, they don't feel flimsy. They don't feel like you're going to break them if you're, using them around or anything like that. The case is really sturdy as well. So that is a big plus in my book. The carrying case of itself is really nice. It is solid plastic, but it is a firm, really tough material. So you don't have to worry about breaking it in the event that you drop it, because I do drop things quite a bit considering the fact, I can't have a hard time holding on to stuff. But they are really sturdy. Sound quality, you can hear exactly what they sound like right now. I did have to use a little bit of gain since I'm using it from my computer. and not using my phone for recording of this video. So I just want to give you some footage using the microphone with my phone. Setup on the phone is really easy as well, or tablet, whatever you're using. USB Type-C connection that is connected to the receiver. Just simply plug that into your phone. Start recording using it however you decide to. And this is what you end up with. I got Ollie on my lap. He just laid back down. But I am going to be taking advantage of having a really nice set of wireless microphones. And this is what you can expect whenever you're using it with your phone. But anyway, let's jump back over to the main video. That way we can finish this up and finish telling you all about the FIFINE M9 microphone. I have no real big complaints about them, other than that the noise cancellation is not very good, which, like I said, any microphone with built-in noise cancellation, a lot of times it's not done really well. But these microphones I'm going to be just using a lot. As far as price goes, they are about the same price as another set that I had. These here are $65, but the sound quality is top tier in comparison to those. The way it picks up, how it handles sound, the processing of sound, it does a much better job of it. And you can just look at them and know that the build quality is much better for them than a lot of the cheaper options that you'll find out there that are around maybe $19 or $20. But I think these are well worth it, and I will be using them quite often in the future, especially for mine and my wife's YouTube channel that we have together. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this review of these microphones. I hope you pick them up, because if you are a content creator of any kind, TikTok, YouTube, whatever the case may be, these will absolutely serve you well. And anyway, look forward to seeing you in the future. Hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, as always, much love. Peace out, and we'll see you in the next one.